The 2026 Harley-Davidson Tri Glide Ultra, the ultimate three-wheeled touring machine. Speed riders, today we're experiencing touring on a whole different level, the 2026 Harley-Davidson Tri Glide Ultra. This isn't just a motorcycle, it's a three-wheeled luxury touring fortress that redefines comfort and stability. Welcome to the pinnacle of three-wheeled freedom, only on Speed Riders. Three-wheeled legacy: the Trike revolution. The Tri Glide Ultra represents Harley-Davidson's ultimate expression of three-wheeled touring, building on decades of experience in creating stable, comfortable long-distance machines. For 2026, Harley has refined this already exceptional platform with new technology and enhanced comfort features, cementing its position as the king of factory-built trikes. This is the machine for riders who want all the freedom of motorcycling with the stability and cargo capacity of a luxury vehicle. Heart of the beast: the Milwaukee 8117. At the core of the Tri Glide Ultra experience lies one of Harley's most powerful engines. Milwaukee 8117 V-twin 1,923 cubic centimeters of air-cooled American muscle. Power delivery: 105 horsepower and 125 lb-ft of torque at 3,500 rpm. 2026 updates: enhanced cooling and reduced vibration for touring comfort. Twin-cooled technology: liquid-cooled cylinder heads for consistent performance. Exhaust note: the signature Milwaukee 8 rumble that defines Harley touring. Design philosophy: touring fortress. The 2026 Tri Glide Ultra features commanding presence and luxurious details. Three-wheeled stance: massive presence with dual rear wheels and integrated luggage. Full touring bodywork: color-matched fairing, fenders, and tour pack. Premium finishes, extensive chrome accents and deep paint options. Integrated luggage: 2.0 cubic feet of storage in each saddlebag plus tour pack. Color options: vintage Harley-Davidson colors with new premium two-tone schemes. Technology suite: luxury command center. The Tri Glide Ultra features Harley's most advanced touring technology. Boom! Box GTS infotainment: 6.5-inch touchscreen with navigation and entertainment. Reflex defensive rider systems: advanced stability control and linked braking. Tire pressure monitoring: real-time monitoring for all three wheels. Keyless ignition: smart security system with hands-free operation. Cruise control: electronic speed maintenance for long highway stretches. Chassis and dynamics: triple the stability. The Tri Glide Ultra's chassis is engineered for confident three-wheeled performance. Twin rear-wheel design: massive 180mm rear tires on both sides. Rigid triple-frame heavy-duty frame designed for three-wheel stability. Air-adjustable suspension: automatic leveling with preload adjustment. Braking system: triple-disc setup with reflex-linked braking. Weight distribution: low center of gravity despite the substantial weight. The touring experience: ultimate comfort. The Tri Glide Ultra delivers an unparalleled luxury touring experience. Unmatched stability: 3-point contact inspires confidence in all conditions. Plush accommodations: heated seats with lumbar support and passenger comfort. Climate management: effective fairing protection with vented airflow. Audio excellence: premium sound system with fairing and tour pack speakers. 2-up luxury: first-class accommodations for rider and passenger. The Speed Riders verdict: the ultimate touring trike. The 2026 Harley-Davidson Tri Glide Ultra represents three-wheeled touring perfection. Ultimate stability: three-wheel confidence without sacrificing the motorcycle experience. Luxury features: every comfort and convenience feature imaginable. Harley heritage: authentic American V-twin character and style. Tour-ready: fully equipped for coast-to-coast adventures. Community appeal: instant recognition and respect among touring enthusiasts. This machine proves that sometimes three wheels are better than two, especially when covering continental distances in supreme comfort. Outro. Speed Riders, could the Tri Glide Ultra be your ultimate touring companion, or are you a traditional two-wheel purist? Hit that like button if you appreciate innovative touring solutions, and subscribe to Speed Riders for the most comprehensive motorcycle content. Let us know in the comments, would you consider a trike for long-distance touring, and what's your dream cross-country route? Keep the rubber side down, all three of them, and we'll see you on the next adventure.